Most people get budgeting apps wrong, and that is the biggest mistake you need to avoid. Because they either expect instant financial transformation or they quit too early without understanding how these tools actually work. In this video, we are breaking down the Cleo in 2026 and answering one simple question. Is it really worth using for your money management or not? Let's start with the basic idea. Cleo is an AI-powered budgeting app designed to help you track spending, save money, and understand your financial habits in a simple, conversational way. Instead of complex spreadsheets, it talks to you like a chatbot and breaks your finances into easy insights. Now here's what most people don't realize. Cleo is not just a budgeting tool. It also includes spending analysis, savings challenges, and in some cases, cash advance features depending on eligibility and region. That means it tries to be a full financial assistant, not just a tracker. Now here's where it gets interesting. The app learns from your spending behavior over time. So if Alex spends too much on food delivery, Cleo might start pointing it out and suggesting limits. If Jake is saving regularly, it might encourage higher savings goals. But here's the problem most users face. They expect Cleo to fix their finances automatically. It cannot do that. It only guides you. If you do not follow the suggestions, nothing changes in your financial situation. Let's break down how it actually works step by step. First, you connect your bank account securely. This allows Cleo to analyze your transactions. Then, it categorizes your spending into things like rent, food, transport, and entertainment. Second, it gives you weekly or monthly insights. These insights show where your money is going in simple language. Instead of confusing charts, it uses clear breakdowns, like you spent too much on takeout this week. Now, here's what makes it different. Cleo uses a chat-style interface. So, instead of digging through menus, you can literally ask things like how much did I spend this week, and it responds instantly. In a minute, I'll explain whether Cleo is actually better than traditional budgeting apps, and who should avoid it completely. Now, let's talk about saving features. Cleo often includes automatic saving suggestions or smart save tools. These are small amounts it helps you set aside based on your spending patterns. It is not aggressive, but it builds consistency over time. But is it perfect? No. If you prefer full manual control or detailed financial planning, Cleo might feel too simple. It is designed for beginners or people who struggle to track expenses regularly. Let's talk value. Cleo is best for users who want a simple, conversational way to understand their money. It is not ideal for advanced investors or people who want deep financial control. So is Cleo worth using in 2026? Yes, if you want simplicity, habit building, and basic money awareness. No, if you need advanced budgeting or investment level control. Let's summarize clearly. Cleo is an AI budgeting assistant that simplifies money tracking, gives spending insights, and helps build better habits. It does not replace financial discipline, but it supports it. If this breakdown helped you understand Cleo better in 2026, make sure to like the video, comment your experience, and subscribe for more Clear Finance app reviews.